Hello everyone, welcome to Contract Simplified, your space for decoding complex legal concepts with ease. I am Kritika and together we will turn tricky legal scenarios into interview winning answers in this series of legal interview question and answer. Now let's dive straight into today's question of the day. How do you manage version control and accuracy when multiple stakeholders are reviewing and redlining a contract simultaneously? Tip for answering this question is highlight your ability to use technology, maintain clear records, and avoid conflicting edits through structured process. Model answer is I ensure all stakeholders work within a centralized contract management system or collaboration platform that supports track changes and permissions. I establish a clear review protocol, only one active version at a time, and circulate it with deadlines for feedback. I maintain an audit trail of comments and revisions, ensuring each change is reconciled before moving to the next draft. To avoid conflict, I consolidate stakeholder feedback into a single redline version, documenting rationale for accepted or rejected edits. This structured approach minimizes confusions and ensure accuracy throughout the cycle review. That's just one way to tackle this scenario. There could be even better answers out there. Share your opinion in the comment section, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel as well as share it with your friends. Let's grow and learn together. See you in the next episode.